Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths class. What did we learn in the previous class, children? We learned how to add the numbers by expanding, right? Now, we are going to learn how to add the numbers by expanding the smaller numbers, smaller. Okay, we write expanded form only for the smaller number. Okay, children, look at the board. 45 plus 23. What is the question, children? 45 plus 23. How many numbers are given? 1, 2. Two numbers are given. Now tell me, children, which number is smaller? 45 or 23? Yes, 23 is smaller. See, children, first write the numbers one after one. Okay. 45 plus 23. Okay. We write the bigger number as it is, children. Okay. Write 45 as it is. Now see. 23 is the smaller number. So we write expanded form of the smaller number. What is this number? 23. What is the expanded form of 23? 20 plus 3. What is the expanded form of 23? 20 plus 3. Now add the numbers, children. Here no number. So 3 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is? Yes. 6. How much is 65 plus 3, children? After 65, 66, 67, 68. So what is the answer? 68. Okay, children, this is very easy Roman. Listen very carefully, children. See the numbers, children. 45 and 23. Which number is smaller? 23 is smaller number. We write expanded form for smaller number. Okay. Write the bigger number as it is. See. 23 is the smaller number. Write the expanded form of the smaller number. 20 plus 3. Now add the numbers, children. 3 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. How much is 65 plus 3? Open 3 fingers. After 65, 66, 67, 68. So what is the answer? 68. Did you all understand, children? Yes, we will do one more sum. $75 plus 18. What is the question, children? 75 plus 18. Now tell me, children, which number is smaller? 18. Okay, now we are going to write the answer. Arrange the numbers one after one, children. 75 plus 18. Do we write expanded form for bigger number? No, we have to write as it is, children. 75. See, 18 is the smaller number. Write the expanded form of that number. What is the expanded form of 18? 10 plus 8. Okay, now do addition, children. 8 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. How much is 85 plus 8, children? Come on, do addition. 85 in the mind, open 8 fingers. After 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. So what is the answer? 93. Did you all understand, children? Yes. Shall we start the exercise? Yes. Now, everyone open your maths textbook, page number 26, children. What is the page number? 26. B Roman. Add by expanding the smaller number. What is the heading, children? Add by expanding the smaller number. See the first sum, children. 38 plus 21. What is the first sum? 38 plus 21. See how many numbers are given? 1, 2. Two numbers are given. Now tell me, children, which number is smaller? 21 is smaller. Leave a line. Write solution. Arrange the numbers, children. 38 plus 21. Okay. See, which number is smaller? 21 is smaller. So, we write expanded form only for the smaller number. So, write 38 as it is, children. Okay. 21 is the smaller number. Write the expanded form of 21. What is the expanded form of 21? 20 plus 1. Now do addition, children. 1 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is? Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5. How much is 58 plus 1? Yes, 59. Now write the answer here, 59. That's all. Is it easy, children? Yes. Shall we do next sum? Yes. Second sum. 36 plus 23. What is the question, children? 36 plus 23. Okay. Leave a line. Write solution. Arrange the numbers first. What is the first number? 36. Second number is 23. Write 23 below 36, children. Okay. Now tell me, children. 36 is the bigger number. So we write as it is. 36. See? 23 is the smaller number. Okay. So write the expanded form of 23. What is the expanded form of 23? 20 plus 3. Okay, now do addition. 3 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, how much is 56 plus 3? Open 3 fingers. After 56, 57, 58, 59. So, what is the answer, children? 59. Okay, children. Did you all understand second sum? Yes. We will do third sum now. Third sum, 49 plus 26. What is third sum? 49 plus 26. Leave a line, write solution, write the numbers, children. 49 plus 26. Tell me, children, which number is smaller? 26 is smaller. Okay. So, we write 49 as it is, children. Okay. 26. What is the expanded form of 26? 20 plus 6. Now add, children. 6 plus 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 2. How much is 4 plus 2, children? 4 after 5, 6. Now tell me, children, how much is 69 plus 6? 69 in the mind. Open 6 fingers. After 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So what is the answer? 75. Did you all understand, children? Yes, we will do next sum. The next sum is 42 plus 36. What is the next sum, children? 42 plus 36. Come on. Tell me, children. Which number is smaller number? 36. So we write expanded form for 36. First write the numbers. Okay. 42 plus 36. Okay. What is the next step? Yes, we write 42 as it is. Now 36 is the smaller number, right, children? Now tell the expanded form of 36. Yes, 30 plus 6. Now add, children. 6 plus 2 plus 0 is 2, correct. 4 plus 3. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Now tell me, children, how much is 72 plus 6? 72 in the mind. Open 6 fingers. After 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Now write the answer here. 78. Did you all understand, children? Yes. We will do one more sum. 62 plus 44. What is fifth sum, children? 62 plus 44. Leave a line, write solution. Now you are going to tell me, children, what we have to do first? Yes, we have to arrange the numbers. 62 plus 44. We have to write the numbers line by line, children. Okay. Now tell me, what is the next step? What is the next step, children? First you have to identify which number is smaller. Which number is smaller? 44. Okay. So what is the next step? First write 62. 44 is the smaller number. Write the expanded form of 44. 40 plus 4. Now see, children. 4 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now add these two numbers, children. 102 plus 4. Open 4 fingers. After 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. So what is the answer? 106. Did you all understand, children? Yes. See, children, you have Maths CT2 on Monday, children. Okay. So, what is the CT syllabus, children? Look here. CT2 syllabus. It is from chapter 1, you have textbook page numbers 19 to 22. Okay, children. These page numbers belongs to chapter 1. Okay. So, these page numbers, and you have to read chapter 1 key points also, children. Okay, you have to read chapter 1 key points also. Okay. So, what are the topics we have? Rounding numbers, even numbers, odd numbers and Roman numbers. Along with key points you have rounding numbers, even numbers and odd numbers and Roman numbers. Already I explained Roman numbers, children. Now I am going to explain rounding numbers and even and odd numbers. Okay. Look at the board, children. Rounding numbers. See, for example, 42. You have to round off this 42 to nearest 10. How do we round off this number? Let us see, children. Okay. This 42 comes in between which two tens, children? It comes in between 40 and 50. Okay. Now write the numbers. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay. Now see, what is this number 42? See this number 42. It is nearest to 40 or nearest to 50? Yes, it is nearest to 40. So 42 is nearest to 40. Now see another example. 67. Children, what is this number? 67. 67 comes in between which two tens? It comes in between 60 and 70. Okay. Now write the numbers, children. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. See, children, 67. 67 comes in between 60 and 70. Okay. See, children, the 67 is nearest to 60 or nearest to 70? Yes, it is nearest to 70. Okay. In this way, we round off the numbers. We will see it is nearest to which number. Did you all understand rounding off numbers, children? Yes. One more example on rounding off numbers. 55. 55. 55 comes in between which two tens? It comes in between 50 and 60. Now write the numbers. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. See, children, 55 is here. Okay, it is middle number, children. If we get the middle number, we round off to the next 10, children, not to 50. We round off to 60. Okay, we don't round off to the before 10. We will round off to the next 10, children. Okay, what is the next 10? 60. So, 55 is nearest to 60. Now, see another example. 75. 75 comes in between which two tens? 70 and 80. Okay, now write the numbers. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Where is 75? Here. Again, we got the middle number, children. So, if we get the middle number, we round off to the next 10, children. Okay. So, it is nearest to 80. Okay. Did you all understand rounding numbers, children? Yes. Now, we will discuss about even numbers and odd numbers. See, children, already I explained about even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. Now see, children, we are going to discuss about even numbers. The numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place are called even numbers. Or if the number is divisible, if the number comes in table 2, then it is an even number. Okay, children, let us see one example. 46. Which place we have to see? Ones place. So, underline the ones place. 6. Now, read the table 2. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6. We have 6 in table 2. So, it is an even number. Okay, children. We can identify the even number by reading table 2 or by seeing these digits in ones place, children. Both are correct only. Okay. Another example, 98. Underline the ones place. See, 8. We have 8 in ones place. So, it is an even number. Or, by reading table 2 also, we can identify easily the even number. Okay. Read the table. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6, 2 fours 8. We have 8 in table 2. So, it is an even number. Did you all understand, children? By identifying the digit in ones place also we can identify the even number, or by reading table 2 also we can identify the even number. Okay. So, first of all you have to underline the ones place. Underline the ones place and read table 2. If the number comes in table 2, then it is an even number. Did you all understand, children? Yes. Now we will discuss about odd numbers. The numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place are called odd numbers. See, children, if the number has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in ones place, then it is an odd number. Okay. Otherwise, by reading table 2 also we can say it is a even number or odd number. Look at this example, 95. Underline the ones place. See, children, we have 5 in ones place. So, it is an odd number. Or we can read table 2 also, children. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3 6. Do we have 5 in table 2? No. So, it is an odd number. Okay, another example. 61. Which place we have to underline? Ones place. Now read table 2, children. 2 ones 2. Do we have 1 in table 2? No. So it is an odd number. Did you all understand, children, how to identify the even numbers and odd numbers? Yes. Already I explained how to write the Roman numbers, children. Okay. So once again you have to practice these Romans again, children. Okay. And also you have to read chapter 1 key points. Okay, children. Thank you.